Good morning and welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some energy balls. My husband said I should call them dinosaur eggs. You guys comment below and tell me if you think I should call them dinosaur eggs or just if I should just leave it as energy balls. But here we go. All right, what you're gonna need is you're gonna start out with a cup of old-fashioned oats. I think I'm going to double my batch today. They go so fast around here. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 cups. So I'm doubling the batch. And I like to put flaxseed meal, not flax seeds because they go right through you, but flaxseed meal stays in your body and it works really good for your digestive system. I've just been told that it's really good to put in your foods. So we are going to put it in these. And I'll put about, probably 1 of my tablespoons in it. You can decide, and I like to put a heaping. It smells so good and it tastes so good. So, and then you want a half a cup. Well, I'm doubling the batch, so I'll use a cup. Then you want a cup of creamy, any kind of peanut butter. Natural's better, less oils are better, peanut butter. A cup in this with the 2 cups of oatmeal. I mix it till it's nice and creamy. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit more water than maybe I need, but we like our energy rounds or whatever you want to call them. We like those moist. We don't like them dry. Peanut butter kind of dries. See how nice and creamy that is? So we just add that right to it. Oh yeah, that looks really good. And that's how you mix up your peanut butter. Water and powder. You don't get all the added oils, and it's just so much better for you. And there we go. And then because I'm doubling my batch, it usually calls for 1/3, but I doubled the batch, so I'm going to add 2/3 of pure. And I don't think I'm going to add the whole 2/3. I'm going to go a little less because we don't need them so sweet. And believe me, maple syrup really sweetens up everything. And this is pure maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup and you have pure honey, you can use pure honey. Whatever works for you. And then if I had it, I would put it in pure, but I ran out the other day, pure vanilla. And probably about 2 teaspoons. Brianna reminded me I need to put my semi-sweets in. Walmart sells these Enjoy Light. You can also buy them on Amazon. They are free from gluten, free from peanuts, tree peanuts, free from soy, free from dairy, free from fish, free from shellfish. I mean, the list goes on. They're just, all it is cane sugar and unsweetened chocolate and cocoa butter. That's it. And they say to add like a cup of morsels. We don't like that many morsels. We just like to sprinkle a little bit in. Okay, so then you just take them. I usually use a teaspoon. This is a tablespoon, so I'm going to try to, and you just roll them around. And you place them on parchment paper. So it only made 13, but the reason why is I usually use a teaspoon, and this time I used a tablespoon. That's what it looks like. And they said about if you The longer you let them sit in the refrigerator, they will firm up a lot better and they won't fall all apart on you, but at least 1 hour. Okay, so enjoy. It's a fast, good snack. Just think of it. If you took 1 candy bar and ate that candy bar, you would have, your calories at least for lunchtime. You could sit down and eat 3 of these and it would just be for snack time in calorie wise. And they're very satisfying. So if you have a sweet tooth after you eat lunch, grab one of these, pop it in your mouth, and the sweet tooth is gone. So have a wonderful day. Bye.